Guys, you need to subscribe to this channel. It's called Johnny Cakes. Search Johnny Cakes. Just playing Minecraft. So search Johnny Cakes, me just playing Minecraft, and then subscribe to it. It will be this kid with fire coming out of his eyes in water. You gotta subscribe. It's my first ever shout out. Oh, and also, that's his profile with a kid having water and fire out of his eyes. So, please subscribe. He's my friend at school, so I can't let him down. Gotta help friends. Well, bye, peace.